Hi, my name is Mary. All About Cats is about our kitty Tiger and written by John Cappleman. 200 stories you can find on Google at Cappleman _ 45779 /X. Cat, here I am, 125. Pawing Daddy, here I am. Can we play green string? Can you rock me on my back? What's that thumping sound? Can you scratch my head again? Can it be forever? Say once more I love you. Here I am, green string.